Hi, my name is Sylvester. I'm part of this stock investment group that is being done by Peter. Yeah, he just thought I should do a video because I think there are a lot of skeptics around there, and trust me, I've been one of them because I've never been good with investments or things like that. And I'm also the type of people who like to play it safe. But I think COVID has come and it's just taught me a lot of things that I just felt, you know what, I think it's better to give some things a try and it's better off. So I did crypto, kiasi, it didn't go well, but I learned, hey, I could take some risks. I've done unit trust, but then the problem with that yes, it's power of compound interest, but it takes long because the returns are really minimal. But then with stocks, it's basically a high risk, but also high investment. But then the beautiful thing of doing this with Peter is that he advises you what to do. So you can still invest on a high, have high returns, but also being able to manage the amount of losses you can be able to do because he's telling you what you need to invest in, which share to buy. And I've seen so many of those shares that is already advised going up. Unfortunately, most of them I was not able to buy because also I was just starting. It's not my thing. I started with 1,000 bob. I bought ABSA when it gone a bit up, but I was excited because for once I think I felt like I owned something and it was good. And then from there now I've purposed to like invest 10k every month, and together with the agent who's there for Genghis, that's Mike, he advises you which units to start buying until I probably hit my 30k, and then from there, you know, things will work. So at the moment, because I'm looking long term and all that, so he's already advised me to buy shares that are long term. They'll be able to give me returns later on. I'm not really in a rush, but I just want to do it. And it's beautiful doing it. So far, I've done, so I think it's been 2 months for me. So far, I've done I&M, and I've also bought Bamburi, and I also have Coop Bank, and Micah 1000 that began for, you know, ABSA. So, and it's a good thing. Guys, this thing is working. For the ones who don't have cash, it doesn't matter. Start from somewhere. Start from that 1,000 bob. You know, for the ones who have enough, it's okay. I did it. He's been doing it in the free group, but then I'm becoming even more serious. I've gone to the mini VIP where you pay for 50. So don't look at it as a cost, but look at it as an investment because you're learning along the way. You're becoming better, but you're also doing it. And then hopefully now I'll be able to join the VIP group after I may, you know, increase all my levels of income and just make it better and better. So it's a good way of doing something. It's a good way of also planning for the future because with COVID, you never know, things are like that. But hey, if guys are making it in stock, I can, and other people are doing it, but it's even better because you're dealing with somebody who's already doing much of the work for you just to advise. And it just needs you to be committed and willing to try. So give it a shot, especially for those people who've never done it before and you're wondering. One of the skeptics was me. I've done it, I'm doing it, I'm learning, I'm yearning, and I'm still growing in it. Of course, it has all the risks, there are losses that you'll be aware of, but you have nothing to lose. Do it. Let's come on, join it. Let's keep on doing it. People are making money in stocks. It's guaranteed, unlike crypto and forex and all the other stuff. But this one, it's a sure bet. So do it. Come and be part of it. Yeah, so I hope my testimony will be able to encourage you guys to do it. So yeah, come, let's grow. Let's be these millionaires who are working for this money that we are working so hard for, you know. So do it. God bless.